Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you circles chapter. Super shortcut tips, tricks, solution within 10 seconds, especially made for you. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims to success made in India. Today I wanted to discuss with you circles chapter. This type of questions will also helpful you for all competitive exams, for all board exams like CBSE, ICSE and state board exams. So I wanted to go to directly question. Question is find the other end of the diameter of the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 27 is equal to 0 if one end of it is a2 comma 3. Now I wanted to take a circle. This is a circle and this is a center, and passing through center, this is a diameter of the circle. So first one end of the diameter 2 comma 3 and another point we don't know that you can take x2 comma y2. Okay, here C is the midpoint of A and B. Now I want to write given circle is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 27 is equal to 0. This is look like x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square is equal to x square, y square is equal to y square, then x coefficient 2g is equal to minus 8. Cancellation, g is equal to minus 4. Next y coefficient is 2f is equal to minus 2. 2 ones are cancelled, we get f is equal to minus 1, and constant value is 27. Next I want to write center. What is the formula of the center? Minus g comma minus f. G value is minus 4, so minus g value minus of minus 4. F value is minus 1 minus f value minus of minus 1 is equal to minus into minus plus 4 minus into minus plus 1 is the center of the circle. Next I wanted to write given one end of the diameter. From the question, given one end of the diameter, that is a x1 comma y1 is 2 comma 3, and center we got. Next let the other end of the diameter is equal to bx2 comma y2. We are taking other end of the diameter is bx2 comma y2. Now I wanted to write to get other end of the diameter, you can take center minus g comma minus f is equal to midpoint of a 2 comma 3 and b x2 comma y2. You can check from the diagram. What is the diagram? This is a circle and this is a center, and AB other end, first end is 2 comma 3a, other end bx 2 comma y2. Here C is midpoint of these two values, so midpoint formula. Here center, what is the center value? I am writing 4 comma 1 as it is equal to midpoint of 2 points is I am writing formula. First of all, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula. As it is, you can substitute 4 comma 1 is equal to x1 as it is 2 plus x2 is x2 only by 2 comma y1 value is 3 plus y2 is 2 divided by 2. Now equating these two values, we get 4 equal to 2 plus x2 by 2. Cross multiply 2 plus x2 is equal to 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. Next this 2 value coming into another side, we get x2 is equal to 8 minus 2. How much? 8 minus 2, 6. x2 value 6 we got. Next you can compare with these two values. We get 1 is equal to 3 plus y2 by 2. So take cross multiplication, we get 3 plus y2 is equal to 1 into 2, 1 2 is 2. Next 3 value coming into right side, we get y2 is equal to 2 minus 3. Therefore y2 value, small number minus big number is negative symbol, 3 minus 2 is ek niranjan 1, y2 value minus 1. So what are you going to write here? Other end of the diameter x2 comma y2 is equal to 6 comma minus 1. Other end of the diameter x2 comma y2 is 6 comma minus 1 is the answer for the given problem. Next, same model, find the other end. Point is 2 comma 3, circle is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 is equal to 0. Aims date to success. Super shortcut tips tricks solution within 10 seconds especially made for you. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 is equal to 0. Now I am comparing with the standard equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X coefficient 2g is equal to minus 8. Cancellation, g का value minus 4. और comparing with y coefficients, 2f is equal to minus 8. Cancellation, f is 2 1s are 2 4s are, we get f is equal to minus 4. And next constant value is c is equal to plus 27. Now I wanted to write center का formula minus g comma minus f. Here g value is minus 4, minus g value minus of minus 4, or f value is minus 4, minus f value minus of minus 4, minus of minus plus 4 again minus of minus plus 4. This is the center of the given circle. Next circle, this is a center and a point according to our question 2 comma 3. Next other end you can write b x2 comma y2. Next I want to write given one end of the diameter a x1 comma y1 is equal to 2 comma 3. Next let other end of the diameter is equal to b x2 comma y2. Let other end be x2 comma y2. Next what is the formula? This is a very important one to get answer. Other end formula is center. What is the center for the question? 4 comma 4 is equal to midpoint of a and b. A value according to our question 2 comma 3 and b is assuming value b x2 comma y2. So center 4 comma 4 is equal to midpoint formula. Now I am writing x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 y1 is 2 comma 3. So as it is I am substituting here. 4 comma 4 is equal to x1 value is 2 plus x2 is x2 only by 2 comma y1 value is 3 plus y2 is y2 only by 2. Now we are comparing these two values. We get 4 is equal to 2 plus x2 by 2. Cross multiplication, we get 2 plus x2 is equal to 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. This 2 value coming into another side, we get x2 is equal to 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 value 6. Therefore x2 value is 6. Next my dear students and friends, comparing another value, y coefficient, y term comparing. 4 is equal to 3 plus y2 by 2. Cross multiplication, we get 3 plus y2 is equal to 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. This 3 value coming into right side, we get y2 is equal to 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. The y2 value is 5. Therefore other end b x2 comma y2 is equal to x2 value 6, y2 value 5 is the answer for this given question. Next, similar model question I wanted to explain you. The question is find other end of the diameter of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. Here no constant term. If one end of it is a 3 comma minus 1, so this is a circle. Next, this is a center, and one end a is 3 comma minus 1, other end we don't know, we have to find, let it be take bx2 comma y2. Aims date to success, super shortcut tips tricks solution within 10 seconds especially made for you. So given circle is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y. There is no constant term. Now I want to write plus 0 equal to 0. Comparing with the standard equation of the circle, we get x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Next, x coefficient 2g is equal to minus 2. 2 ones are cancelled, g is equal to minus 1. Next, y coefficients 2f is equal to 4, cancellation 2 2s are 2 ones are, therefore f is equal to 2. Next, constant term c is equal to 0. Now I want to write center c minus g comma minus f. G value minus 1 minus g value minus 1. Next, f value 2 minus f value minus 2. Simplification minus into minus plus 1 comma minus 2 is the center of the given circle. Next, we wanted to write given one end of the diameter ax comma x1 comma y1 is equal to 3 comma minus 1 is a one end of the diameter. Next, let other end we have to find, so that's why let other end of the diameter is bx2 comma y2, and one formula I wanted to write to get other end of the diameter given center, that center, what is the answer? Center 1 comma minus 2 is equal to midpoint of a. What is the a value? 3 comma minus 1, and b value is x2 comma y2. So center is 1 comma minus 2 as it is, so midpoint of a and b, it is from 10th class. What is the formula? Simple formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint formula, with midpoint formula, now I am substituting x1 y1 values here. 1 comma minus 2 is equal to, here x1 value is 3 plus x2 is x2 only by 2 comma y1 value is minus 1 plus y2 is y2 by 2. Comparing with these two values, we get 1 is equal to 3 plus x2 by 2. Cross multiply, we get 3 plus x2 is equal to 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. Next, 3 value coming into another side, we get x2 is equal to 2 minus 3. x2 वैल्यू आने के लिए छोटा वैल्यू माइनस बड़ा वैल्यू नेगेटिव सिंबल आता, 3 minus 2 एक निरंजन 1, therefore x2 value minus 1. Small number minus big number is minus 3 minus 2 1. Next, comparing with another value, these two values, we get minus 2 is equal to minus 1 plus y2 by 2. Cross multiplication, my dear students, we get minus 1 plus y2 equal to 2 into minus 2, plus into minus, minus we get 2 into 2 4, minus 4. This minus 1 coming into another side, we get y2 is equal to minus 4, minus 1 coming into this side plus 1, therefore y2 is equal to छोटा value minus बड़ा value negative symbol, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Small number minus big number is negative symbol, 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore other end of the diameter bx2 comma y2 is equal to minus 1 comma minus 3 is the required answer for this point 3 comma minus 1, and circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. Next, similar model question, my dear students. I want to explain you. Find the other end of the diameter of the circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. If one end of the diameter of it is minus 3 comma 0. Appanika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences aims day to success. Super shortcut tips and tricks solution especially made for you. This solution will come within 10 seconds, especially made for you. The given point, one end of the diameter is a minus 3 comma 0. Other end of the diameter you can assume b x2 comma y2. Next, given circle is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. This equation of the circle I am comparing with the standard equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We get x coefficient 2g is equal to 8, 2 ones are 2 4s are, so g is equal to 4. Next, comparing with y coefficients, we get 2f is equal to 12, 2 ones are 2 6 are, so f is equal to 6 and constant value c is equal to 15. Next, I wanted to find center. Center formula is minus g comma minus f. G value 4 minus g value minus 4. F value 6 minus f value minus 6 is required center for this given circle. Next, I want to write given one end of the diameter a x1 comma y1 is equal to minus 3 comma 0. Let other end, we wanted to find other end of the diameter, let it be take b x2 comma y2. According to this diagram, C is the midpoint of A and B. So now I want to write that formula. What is the formula? Center. What is the center? Minus 4 comma minus 6 is midpoint of A and B. That is midpoint of A value is minus 3 comma 0 and B value is x2 comma y2. So center as it is you can write, my dear students, minus 4 comma minus 6 is equal to midpoint formula from 10th class, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. It is a very simple formula. Now you have to substitute x1 y1 value from the given question. X1 value is minus 3 plus x2 is x2 only by 2 comma y1 value is 0 plus y2 is y2 only by 2. So now you can compare with these two values. We get minus 4 equal to minus 3 plus x2 by 2. Take cross multiplication, my dear students. You will get minus 3 plus x2 is equal to minus 4 into 2. Plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8. This minus 3 coming into right side, we get x2 is equal to minus 8. Minus 3 coming into right side, opposite symbol plus 3. Therefore x2 is equal to chota value minus bada value, negative symbol. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Small number minus big number is negative symbol. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 3 minus 8 value minus 5. Now my dear students, compare with these two values. Y terms compare करना है तो minus 6 is equal to 0 plus y2 by 2. Cross multiplication, we get 0 plus y2 is equal to minus 6 into 2. 0 plus y2 is y2 only, my dear students. Minus 6 2s are 12. y2 का value minus 12 आ गया. Therefore we have to find other end ना. So therefore other end of the diameter b x2 comma y2 is equal to minus 5 comma minus 12 is the required other end of the answer from the given minus 3 comma 0 and circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. My dear students and friends, if you wanted to like these type of questions topic wise, subject wise, you can check from description box. In that so many super shortcut tips and tricks solutions playlists are there. Otherwise you can check in my channel, playlists are there, subject wise, chapter wise, model wise. So many super shortcut tips and tricks solutions are there, so you can go through those playlists. You will get 100% sure success I will promise you. So I wish you all the very best, my dear friends and students. Thank you so much. టు గెట్ సక్సెస్ ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ నీడ్ ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ డీడ్. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. If you satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.